Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have three important updates. We will talk about a cargo plane carrying humanitarian aid crash in Leer County in Unity State. Second, we'll talk about a South Sudanese man is found dead in Uganda at Jumani district as case of violence against refugees continue to rise. And finally, we'll talk about the United People Alliance, UPA, releases new political and military appointment under Pagana Mumbat. Many questions remain about why they avoid talking about the suffering of citizens and the arrest of Dr. Riek Machar. Before we move on, please like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe. Let us start with this breaking news. Cargo plane crash in Leer County. According to the report, a tragedy has been reported in Leer County, Unity State, where a shattered cargo plane carrying humanitarian supply crashed early Tuesday morning. The crash happened near Rupcher Buma in Gwetpayam at around 8 a.m. in the morning on November 25, 2025. According to the acting county commissioner and executive director, Quet Ladjor, the aircraft was transporting food items for Samaritan Purse, a charity organization helping communities affected by flooding. According to them, the plane had departed from Juba and was heading to Leer to support families who have been struggling after heavy flood destroyed home and crop. According to the Commissioner Commissioner Ladjor confirmed that all three people on board, two crew members and one engineer, are feared dead. Commissioner told local media that the crash site is in a very remote area, estimated to be about 3 hours away on foot. Commissioner said that I have sent a team of security forces, including the Payam administrator, to the location. He said they will bring back a full report once they return. Well, so far no survivor been reported. At this moment, authorities have not identified the cause of the crash. Aviation experts say that whether mechanical issues or human error could all be possible factor, but only a full investigation will confirm what happened. For the people of Leer County, this crash is more than a tragedy. It is also a major setback for them. The cargo was meant to support families hit by flooding, many of whom depend entirely on humanitarian food supplies. Local residents say that the delay assistance will increase hunger and suffering in remote villages. Security forces and humanitarian workers are still traveling to the crash site, and a formal report is expected later today or tomorrow. Changfied News will continue to follow this story. Let's move on to our second top story. Please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's talk about South Sudanese man found dead in Uganda. Moving to Uganda, where another South Sudanese life has been lost under unclear and troubling circumstances. The police in Uganda West Nile region are investigating the death of 50-year-old Michael Dra Buga, a South Sudanese national whose body was found along the Adjumini Moyo Road on Monday morning. According to local source, the victim left his home in Rasia West Village on Sunday night around 10 p.m. He reportedly went to a nearby bar, but he never returned. The next morning, the resident discovered his body along the roadside and immediately alerted authorities. A homicide team arrived at the scene and took the body to Jumani General Hospital for a post-mortem examination. A police spokesperson, C. Colin, confirmed that the medical examination revealed multiple injuries, a broken rib, sign of physical assault. He stated clearly that this was not an accident, but a murder. We have opened investigation, he said. We urge the public to share any useful information. The body has since been handed over to the family for burial. This is not an isolated case when you look at it. Early this year, in August 2025, Faima Shatima, a South Sudanese refugee, was found dead in Yumbe district after leaving home. In July 2025, another South Sudanese refugee, Nema Onyiyo, was killed when soil collapsed at an illegal mining site in Evempi settlement. Another person, Lilos Pasi, was seriously injured in the same incident. These repeated tragedies show the difficult and dangerous condition facing South Sudanese refugees in Uganda Northern District. Many refugees live in poverty, face insecurity at night, and lack proper protection. Local leaders are urging the Ugandan police and UN agencies to improve security measures, especially in areas where refugees rely on night work or have to travel a long distance on foot. Changfied News will continue bringing you updates as the investigation progresses. Let's move on to this report. UPA, United People Alliance, led by Paganamum. This is a new report. The United People Alliance, which is UPA, led by Paganamum, has announced new appointment across its political, administrative, military, and economic cluster. The appointment include several well-known figures in South Sudan political and military arena. And one of them is Honorable Nial Deng Nial, chairperson, external and diplomatic cluster. General Paul Malonga, one chairperson, administration cluster. General Stephen Boy Rolnyang, chairperson, military cluster, and chief of general staff, UPA Unified Forces. Mario Laku Thomas, chairperson, economic cluster. Enere Oyai Nyago, chairperson, service cluster. And the last person is Mashur Gorjo Gak, chairperson, political mobilization cluster. These new appointments have raised a serious question among South Sudanese communities, activists, and analysts. Many citizens are asking, why did UPA choose to make these major appointments at this particular moment? And why did UPA stay silent during the suffering of South Sudanese communities since early 2025? Why didn't UPA speak up after the arrest of Dr. Riek Machar in February 2025? Another big question is connected to the Tumani Peace Initiative. People are asking, was the Tumani Peace Initiative only held because Dr. Riek Machar was arrested? Was it designed to weaken his political influence? Or why did UPA stay quiet throughout Machar detention and trial? Dr. Riek Machar has been facing controversial trial related to the Nasser incident, an event where the Nuer Wayami clashed with the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force. Many South Sudanese argue that Dr. Riek Machar was not responsible for the incident. The case is politically motivated. It is being used as a tool to shift blame. The real story of what happened has not been honestly told. Evidence from eyewitnesses and community leaders suggests the Nuer Wayami acted in self-defense, and the violence was triggered by government force entering communities areas. Since February 2025, ordinary South Sudanese have suffered displacement, anger, lack of protection, political intimidation, and community violence. Yet the UPA, United People Alliance leadership remains silent until now. People are asking, if UPA claimed to stand for unity, then why didn't they speak for the suffering of citizens? Why did they wait until the political environment changed before appearing with a new title? Many communities, especially Nuer communities, believe UPA timing show more political interest than public consent. Across social media, South Sudanese youth have raised the following question: where was UPA when we were being displaced? Why didn't Pagana mention the thousands suffering in Leer, Fangaka, Kobo, or in Apenal? Why only talk now after making political alliance? Political analysts believe UPA want to position itself as a future political power bloc. The new appointments suggest internal organization ahead of the 2026 political season. But their silence on Dr. Riek Machar arrest has damaged trust among citizens, especially in Apenal and Unity State. What does this mean for the future? The political environment in South Sudan is shifting quickly. With Dr. Machar still on trial, many fear the country is moving toward a deeper political division rather than reconciliation. Whether UPA will address these concerns or continue remaining silent is something we will watch closely. Changfied News will continue following updates as they unfold. Gwasi may be a Kamal Kenyam ka Changfied YouTube channel, bana raketin kon lat Karodian. Go no jin be subscribe ka notification bell bi twany ko mi chete bare gwas me be chamala shubikiji e pet bana je tuk dora shal keme Leer county te kon gala dang doctor very important Leer nyam bala dungre nyala dana ci yak Leer rewde bala South Sudanese me cha je ci liwre wiki Uganda at Jumana district diodien bana rach ka United People Alliance chicken kware jidini chicken ga kwany kanu belka pagana mumba ngumi chuina katel jom chikana malat ne ko gwade dane sha dakra mi cha yenge jetel mi chikana malar abanje linka jelera me please go no jin be subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mi tem ci bare gwasme be chamala shi bikije jo chalat gwasme ka Leer county mi lal heranyam chala de wote karenyal mi jien ka juba cho ka Leer county ka Unity State okay and Renyal mo a cargo, a shattered cargo. Renyal Michala do generate the take a quactala loke, Renyal humanitarian. Yaga ka Shankaro ka jok la wale. Yaga Guadan chalke rup share buma ka gwet payam. Ka tabade karunwang along. Ka jen paiwel kel shan yandang road ditch. Ronkin dang road yandang road ditch. Kajo chalat gwase me Ramadan la kwer la acting county commissioner kwer dana kep which me la county commissioner ka jen executive director kwet la jor chala wone en rin yala mo men ci yak wajen jele ka kwen mi no menang kare which ne kon organization initial ke Samaritan Purse jena wa chat organization mila na la ka local communities ni ten content cha joje nyoch waren aljena ka juba we ka Leer county ko benedi konan shuch ba ko loka kwak cha jo mo cha jalat mi che jeno wa en ken ne chup rei wich wa chire nyala moje chu yak ka Leer jena wa we wore wich nguni mi lo we lwang na ka kwak chit ka kwan ken to ko ken cha jo mo cha jalat commissioner la jor chela do ne e jene chikana ngaje no ere nyala mo atine dang dok tigatin akane dang dok to chala do kan dang dok dial chikiliu ne dang ro tilla gear ke two crew members karam kel mila engineer kanang dok wachi yeken chigates ne a chigarwa ke media ano chana chaga jagwa dan chirenal che yakten wan gwad dan yekrenal tin nane long nane ka wich wa kam de take a tan dang dok ke chok mi jene jele ke chok be nang tan dang dok lo nane long in a remote area. And what than yaktin, wa ko nane, watch a young ni ten corner security force, a country where a witching with me. Watch Ramdan la administrator payam, ki a quer payam, chaga jakbochik, ka guadan chirenal che yaktin. She commissioner Shelado nene, because reported guanajan by Nungaken. Kajan guadan chirenal che yaktin, a watel mishalat ka survivor. Mite ram mo shi survive kete rami mo miten jen ka bodwane dang dog dial chigalu no kajen gwaz men tam ne ko anta ka bomre which akani quicken mandan en jekre nyal ka je chere mandana ngai kona re nyal yege kuyunka wa kwai keje aviation expert ne ko anta la re nyala ka guje no da yaka kuyungu chikala do dong da la jom dong da la mechanical issue ka kwakatin kona tere de re nyal da la ramadan la ger te gere ko so the reality wa kan dong de nyal de jaga ja kone a chikala do we can full investigation we can a lot ba man da yegre nyal ka kwide ba jelat and do ba chire nyal yaka jema of course ngai kone gwanu kap no kwan te wana loka ka unity state lo en taati yaga jamen tema ka kwa dial nyu jeno bna bigu chuj ray wijin wini mi ne de konen cha daga nyoch ken de konen chuj kone de konen tere wijin wini mi kala kanti ala ko ndien ku ken le jega ji humanitarian mi che jojen wo ji humanitarian tema chi re nyal dana kap kon che le yak ke na chi glu bele bay ke kelung ka ta dana weekend shen ka je ka tel kwan a jo mo cha jala do by investigation ba jalat ka dong de humanitarian de kan tar lok de kan le to bre wishin wini mi so jo me mishalat wana ka dor shal ka me Uganda gwa mi mashram kel mi la South Sudanese yede je jenten dor shal me Uganda chala no shram kel mi la South Sudanese mi la ran refugee wini mi wajen ci yede jen ka do mi cha ngach ban jeli nga gwa do bdana jen yede ka je gwasme ka do bdana chalat kijen ka joma shalat gwasme wa police ni Uganda police ka west na region wa chicken investigation chicken alat ka kwiwut committee ka jeruni jandang dh wun mishal ka Michael Drabuga mishanak ka kwa jarama dan naka ajena South Sudanese national wajen chapone chaje kwa na cheliu da dop ka Jumani Moyo road ka jelat ka jok karun wangalong ne de content la local community chicken right la no ne kera mi yede jene wajen dorate ka gwal michel ka Russia West Village wa ke Sunday jen cha jen ka ke 10 pm mo ta 10 pm war mi didelon no jen cha jen wa chi o mat ka kwan ka bar mititin wenamo wa kule la riede karolo lolo je dora jen gwal da nan don were goje jikin am chaji grun wanga ke chaje kwan chane ko la polini cha ka chol ko do budanan cha point ran chaji ga jipin ka chaji ga no South Sudanese national milaro refugees mi chinede content la dier ka gwada na chiran chi yir jenten ke ngam nagran mi shiga chubo cha point ran mo chaje uji of course cha point cha kan cha nan ka hospital ke anan dulwal ka Jimani General Hospital ko ba postmortem ba examination ba jo lat ke ba point ba jo gich na ba man da naga ba jo gujin wini mi sha point ran chaje chaje gno wa point take bottom one munyo da no jen chaje yat wa chinyir ka bashi gutol awlo munyo do jen che kwer kana gwada dan naka jetin no chaje laro na me shi accident naka ne jaga tet wa cha investigation chaje lef ko ba ne ko non dong naka je ba ka gor so jen ta dan chora lat so rai wujin wini mi wa chiri tin wanti to golun ka gwase dan la nala kana liu ko do mu changa kijan ka pai badak ronkin daro jendang ro de jeme ka pai ka pa dang ro pai wo tera mi shala fai ma shatima so Sudanese refugee bane yen chwa jiga lo che liu dar chwal ke Yumbe district ka jena dor jen dor den chwa na ga ne ro kwaike ka pai baro bo ronkin daro jendang ro de wa chote ka so Sudanese refugee ba mi shala noma nema wacho anek boni bat men ko nek wa pen mun wi de gwad mi shika we gwad la dam la katet keten so all these things token ko refugees so Sudanese refugees chuike ke ram mo miti ko refugee la chuje ko tel kwan ka tel kon dong de cham wana ka le radio de gwasi me ka ku United People Alliance bon paganamum wa kana bonda shikan kwar ko ke ngane kikan ga to ko mi kwan kan kwar jidine ne da ti ka kwar de niken chicken ne tila politician ngana kwang ka chicken administrative chicken kwang ke military kan economic cluster chicken kwang ne ko dong de kwa ke de realaka ne de ko ne kan kwang gwas me ne ngaike honorable nyal te tin ram ke cha kwang la chairperson external and diplomatic cluster jen gwadan cha kwang tin general Paul Malonga wan cha kwang la chairperson administration cluster General Stephen Boyrol nyang cha kwang la chairperson military cluster ka chief of general staff ka United People Alliance Unified Force ko jaram dana dong to de India le pinye Mario Lakuto ma cha kwanya la chairperson economic cluster inero ya cha kwanya la chairperson service cluster sha udodi mchala matur gorjogak cha kwanya la chairperson political mobilization cluster so ne ri ne ya kwanya but tina gwasmen go en bona shalke mo UPA ngum let kene shu na ka tele jom lat kene shikarwach you know tige ken wo ngum chi ka ra ke je ne ka wa de dana chi kore to je ke jen fire wo pa de ko ben ka tam di me kelim telam lat ken anyok ti ren cha nyo muti ke quit man peace initiative ano to man peace initiative cha e kap chong ngum ka ko je chong aja kap je chong ko cha da kro ma cha je yen ki ngum to ngum kwa je kap chong aja ka de ko won yam you know anyok ti ren wo ne en to man peace initiative e symbol jen me gona je no kwa winat kwa confuse ke je mi chi ji ka chi ka raja ne ka gwa se da ne cha je kap chong ki me cha da kro ma cha je yen ti je ren cha nyo ti gwa se me kane de ti de chal ke UPA ngum lat kene ka ta dan cha yen dakre mu char mi chikara je chui na re wich ka South Sudan tel lat ken especially ke kusen cha ti gwazme wanene angu gur lip kene mu charing ma cha je kamrar cha mal cha nyo mu ta ni bu nyok ben yal te ka mal lat kene ko to man peace initiative ka gwazi dan cha gudi lo kel mede ne di ade no mal but che ben boy ndera mo che fail tel mi shoda lat ni me charing ma charge yen ka kwi ko dan chi to kana sir me chi nuar waya mi ken South Sudanese people fan force me chi gnyin no chajo yen ka jen kujemo non daga ma char ajama dan ngen ne dial no mi che mal mi che jetan den batene de bro den je but tuman prison shit me lat ke je go je no dera mal dera je no lat ken no chief SPLA yo tel mal me den but right now chi le beneken ka ken de konterir na ro te mal non ken so me kan dakar ma char ma kana kon ke kana kon banyal tel way out me bikan me bika right ke UPA ngumur bit ke je right now jen tie chaka ne ka jen fire way dan be ne ka ta me chana chaka displace kinai bot kanak kina na liuna no na de ne SSPDF tel ma lar kana so kan chi community ka la loss anymore you know ko kan ne de chirwa kala kan to kan iti mo bi la kwar ka chikan jodi ni kan to right now ba ku no godi a community ne so NUPA lat kan oken e ka jimat ka but chika right kan it kon chujre we ka South Sudan bugal kule la jimat kedi a lot of people that are suffering right now and they do not even voice things out or don't they can condemn ta dan chuj kana binekan so mi chira me special nur community ti kan UPA no la die no ka tam chunya ka jema no bit ka metel malat kana so UPA gwege jeno chi bono gwa ko chika right beneken so na me ripon mi chano wa kan lip kana opportunity chi odong te mo gam gor kana ode lat so na me jena na gode nywa yekel mi jira mi jidit gwa me ka Changfied YouTube channel gor ma jin bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bu jetwan bi le ko na be gwa be ka chwalinga an bi atakamal bye bye